Hey, I'm Eric Fritz with Snap One here at ISE 2023. I'm the product director for Control4 hardware, and I'm thrilled to be showing all of our partners the Halo remote family this year. We have 3 different SKUs. We have Halo and Halo Touch that comes in 2 colors. One that is a touchscreen focused product and one that is a hard button focused product. We have a whole new graphic UI that matches the look and feel of OS 3. And if we pick one up, we'll be able to show you the redesigned List Navigator view that incorporates new experiences for watch, listen, and lighting. Both remotes have fully native Apple TV Siri control. We have a top row of custom buttons where our integrators can customize the text above each one. And we also have a color control button at the bottom that gives you access to red, green, yellow, and blue controls through Composer. For more information, please visit www.snapone.com.